Hi, my name is Anne-Helene and I'm an occupational therapist and the owner of Baby Steps. Today, I will take you through the exercises that you can do with your baby when you're taking them to the swim center. I hope you will use the exercises and enjoy. So this exercise that I'm going to talk about for now is an exercise where we have the babies crawling out of the pool themselves. So from around the time when the babies starts to crawl, even just commando crawl, or we see them raising themselves, standing on their knees, we can introduce this exercise because that means they're ready to use the dragging motion of pulling themselves up. The exercise I'm talking about is a self-saving exercise where we have the babies learning to climb up on the edge themselves. What we will be doing is we will take the babies, swim them toward the edge, have them place their hands on the edge, get something to grip on if there is anything. It can be the slightest little gap that they can get their tiny little hands into, just to have them hold on to the edge themselves. We place one hand just so it's ready to catch them underneath of their bum without holding the bum, just being ready. And then we will have some toys placed in front of them because motivation to climb up is toys, or mommy or daddy if you're two going to the pool with the baby. And then we are motivating and encouraging the child to climb up out of the pool on itself. What is important in this exercise is that we can combine it with other exercises that I will be talking about in this playlist. We can combine it with jumping into the pool. We can combine it with diving from the edge and everything. And there will be other videos about that. But this exercise about climbing up themselves is all about self-efficacy. It's having the baby's ability to climb out of the water on their own is quite a huge milestone in the water. And I have seen 2 or 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds who can't climb out of the water themselves. And are we starting to already, when they are 8 months or 7 months, to encourage them to climb out of the pool themselves? Well, then we are also introducing the mindset in ourselves that the babies should be doing as much on their own as they can and as we encourage them to do. The more they are self-efficient in the water, the better. And the more we encourage it, the better. The climbing out of the pool exercise also helps stimulating especially the kinetic sense, our muscle and joints, the dynamic, explosive contractions that the muscles have to do when we're trying to crawl out of the pool are sending some huge impressions to the brain, to sensory inputs to the brain for it to process. And this is the kind of inputs that really helps stimulate and feed the brain so that it feels well stimulated. So that kind of exercises are just very good for the babies that are all over the place also. I really like this exercise for the bigger babies, and I hope you will too. This was a short video with a nice exercise that you can use with your baby the next time you're at the swim center. I hope you will enjoy the exercises and good luck. Bye.